take off, going for 620 k's to clear goal. Stay tuned for more. Zapata, Texas, here we come. Welcome to Zapata. Just climbing up at 3,000 feet. Cloud base is about 3,500. Only showing 15 kilometers of wind today, so it's going to be very difficult for the long flight. I'm going to fly for at least another 2 hours hopefully and see how it looks. Might call it a day early, save myself for more wind, but nevertheless, I'm flying. It's a nice office view. Keep watching. Hey, just passing by Laredo, 65 kilometers out from Zapata. Only getting around 10 kilometers an hour tailwind. Starting to get some good climbs, 500 up here. Cloud base is lifted. Just going through 4,000 feet. About another 500 or 600 above me. Starting to get a few cloud streets. Going to keep going for a little while and see how it looks. Never know here. So I've done the hard part and I've got 8.5 hours left of sunlight with 550 odd kilometers to flight. Well, been in the air for 2 hours, 20 minutes. 110 kilometers. This rate, I'm going to do about 500 kilometers maybe. Thinking about landing right now and conserving my energy for a day that's got more wind. Still only got about 10 kilometers an hour of wind, so it's a great day here in Zapata. Just had 700 up before. Clouds look great. Just need the wind. So you might call it quits for today and you'll be hearing more tomorrow. Stay tuned. Johnny Duran bringing you live from Zapata, Texas.